In this tutorial, I'll show you the ways on how to pair PS5 controller on Max 11 on your Amazon Fire tab. To pair a PS5 DualSense controller with an Amazon Fire tab, Max 11 or other models, first you want to put the controller into a pairing mode by holding the button simultaneously until the light bar blinks. Then you want to press and hold both buttons simultaneously until the lighter bar on the controller begins to blink. Then you want to open the settings app on your Fire tab, go to connected devices, and then go to Bluetooth. Then ensure Bluetooth is turned on, after which you could go ahead and make sure to connect it and click on connect. Once you've actually done it, so the Fire tab may ask you to confirm the pairing, follow the on-screen prompt or instructions to complete the process. Once the controller is paired, you could use it to navigate the Fire tab and play games or Bluetooth controller. So that is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.